Hey you guys, what's up? So I'm starting with my set it off braids, and then listen, don't even try to play me because my hair has been growing. Okay, period. So if you hear anything in the back, it's my kids. But I'm just taking a bottle I got from the Dollar Tree. I think this is for like condiments and foods, but I put my oil in it. This is olive oil. So now I'm just gonna take some edge control. This is True Edge and Edge Fixer. I think I ended up using the Edge Fixer, and that is my edge brush that I just showed you with the comb at the end. And this is the hair. This is how it comes packaged. This is Eyelissom Hair, and this is the wig cap that came with it. That's always a good thing when a wig cap comes with a unit. It comes packaged in this like little book bag thing that you carry around with you also. Inside of it, it came with two cute headbands, a peach one and a brown one. And here is the hair. It is a 16-inch curly deep wave headband wig, a natural color, and it is 150% density. And this is how it comes packaged. It always comes with a net around it. And this one had the strings at the back, so you can tighten it or not have it tight at all. But I forgot what the name of it was. But anyways, the Velcro is very durable. It comes with 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back. That's usually how they are constructed. I can tell it's gonna be a little tight, but it is what it is. We're gonna work with it. This is how it looks straight out of the pack. Pretty, curly, fluffy, defined, soft, no shedding yet. And the wig cap actually came with 2 wig caps in there. And this, I was struggling to get this on. Like, everything was just tight. I might got a big head, I don't know. But I'm just going to pull some baby hair out with the brush side of my edge brush. And then I'm going to grab my edge control. and so it detangles very, very, very well. I've heard nothing but great reviews about this, and so far so good. So that's the no product side straight out the package, and then this is the fluffed out water and comb side. If you're looking for a natural thing, you know this is the way to go. But I am going to define my curls with some Cantu curling cream and some Eco Styling gel. This wig kept on sliding back, but this headband was kind of like skinny, so I went ahead and folded the headband in, and then later on in the video you'll see me just eventually put the combs in the front into my stocking cap because it just kept sliding back on my head. So here's where I'll stick the teeth into the front, and this just ensures that your hair won't go anywhere. I only stuck the one in the middle in. You could stick the two on the sides in just to be secure, but I'm just doing a top knot ponytail right there, so I just decided to, you know, have it secure in the middle. So like an hour or two later, here is the hair. It is dry, it is fluffy, it is bouncy, it is voluptuous, all of that. Okay, look at that. Pretty curly wavy hair. It has dropped with the product on it. Still curly, still defined. The curls ain't going nowhere. I was out in the humidity, sweating and stuff, and I actually like the big curly look anyway, so I wasn't too pressed about it, you know, getting fluffy or whatever, but it was still defined when I came back in. Okay, so I like the middle part, but you could flip it over. You could do it half up, half down. You can do a ponytail. You can do whatever you want with this hair. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, of course, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.